Hello guys, welcome to my video. Shut up.
I would like to clarify that the ruling of the chair
Wait a minute.
the issue of
Did he get the glitch?
number of conviction. The matter of
Bam, 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 bam.
Marcoleta and Senator Estrada should be participating
Did I
in
know
the
that
process.
so
The
far?
trial is another matter that we will have to discuss.
Yeah, yeah. Better.
If there are no other senator judge who wishes to make a manifestation, the lead prosecutor, Representative Luis is once again recognized. What was your earlier manifestation and motion?
Your Honor, we respectfully reiterate our request that counsel for the part of the prosecutors, Attorney Bo Matapunan, be recognized.
Recognized. Will you be the one to present your motion?
Shut up.
Senate President, Presiding Justice, I do have manifestation or answer to the query of the presiding senator judge. I am not presenting the
Who
witness
are
today,
you?
but I would like, with your permission, Your Honors, to manifest a query that we request be addressed by this honorable
Bro's fighting the last innocent.
defense.
The lady may proceed.
Bro.
We are informed that in fact, conducted in the Senate premises on the back
Bam,
and
bam, bam. Bello! What's happening?
can't stop figure combing my hair. Try to do how long your parents.
Jump on her head. Bacon.
She is expected
Bacon. Yup. Yuppie. In the game. In the game. I'll go area. Head and left. Shut
walking at
shut up. Yippee,
this increase in court. And that is giving you married to another manifestation.
The Garfield.
So, if it were given address this to the council correspondence, who will simply answer the query of the council correspondence?
This is relevant to the presentation that we will be making this afternoon, Your Honors. This court will recall your own statements, Mr. Presiding Judge, that on Tuesdays, every Tuesday of every week, that the prosecution must indicate to the witnesses they intend to present before this court will be. This is to enable the impeachment court to issue, when appropriate, and if deemed necessary, a subpoena for such witness. And that is now very disappointing because Annette presentation of witness on the first article that we will be presenting, which is witness and of sedation. One of the key witnesses, hostile, by hostile, would be the vice president.
What's that?
In the premises of the Senate, because we are already respectfully informing the Honorable Court that we will manifest that we will have a written request for her presence in connection with this article on faith cleansing. That is the legitimacy of our manifestation.
The chair would like to rule on the manifestation requested here to the council to respond for the simple reason that I do not want the parties to
Okay.
before this court. Because I will do that with the presentation of your witness through direct and cross-examination, redirect and recross. To answer, the impeachment rules do not mandate nor require
Bro,
the
what is
responses
bro
to attend any hearing or trial of the impeachment court. Whether he was in the building earlier or arrived after, it is totally up to the respondent because evaluate the court case was represented in this court through the counsel of her witness. Should the counsel for the prosecutors decide to call the respondent herself, the court will act on that motion of request once it is made and or filed and need not make a ruling at this point in time. Because of course, when that motion is made, we will ask the counsel for respondent to make a comment or get back.
Thank you, Sir Presiding Judge, Justice Senator Ben. With that, we are the rights. We are not